So a lot of homeowners, as we come out, and of course it's right when we're finishing the job, they always ask you to do one more thing. And probably the most common thing that they would like to do is, of course, they want to clean these downspout drains. And we'll be happy to do that, but there is a charge. However, let me show you a simple way that you can find out where that discharge is, especially if you have no idea and it's grown over or whatever. It's pretty simple. Take a look. So here on the front of the house, this downspout, it picks up a great deal of roof all the way around, a lot of valleys, probably about 2,000 square feet come down to this downspout. Very important. So when he asked me to take a look and see what's going on, first thing I do is see what's happening here. I see some evidence of overflowing. So when it rains really hard, this line's at capacity. But what I've done is stick the garden hose in there, and you can do the same thing. Put your hose in there. What you're going to see, does it back up? If it does, then you definitely need to clean it, there's no doubt. If it takes water, it'll take it about 15 minutes. That water will run down through the line. Let me grab my shovel. And I mean, I already had an idea where it came out, but down here there's a culvert that goes under the driveway. And you can see that little hole right there, okay? And if I pull it back a little bit, you can see the galvanized culvert. This is an 18-inch culvert. You see that water? So we know water's coming out here, and if I look carefully, I can see it's coming up down through the hill. So I'm going to explore right here and see if we can find the discharge. Okay, so you can see there's the end of the line. We've got a real good flow coming out. It's going into the culvert, it's getting carried away. But they buried it really deep, and they didn't put any pop-up on it or anything, which is okay. But this has to be maintained, and you can see the root systems. These are pine trees, and they're huge root system. They extend all the way. Definitely seek that water. But a real simple thing, stick the garden hose in that downspout, just like up there. Stick the garden hose in it. If it overflows, yeah, you need to clean that line, and you can call us or whoever's in your area to clean it. But if it doesn't overflow, give it a few minutes and then look for evidence of water. This one was easy. It has a culvert. Sometimes you might just see water come up out of the ground, and you just explore the area, you'll find the pipe. Real simple. Quick little how-to tip. Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. We are finishing up this waterproofing install. We added so many things here. Just wanted to make a quick note. We are extremely busy, and heading into rainy season, it's just around the corner. I urge you to use our service sign up to get on our schedule. It's filling up very fast, and of course hurricane season is right around that. We're actually in hurricane season, but coming into July, August, and especially September, that's when we get hit. So if you're going to sign up online, or if you would like for us to do some service for you, please go to the website and use that service sign-up sheet.